downpouring like all the time, but it was like misty and off and on, which is fine. Because like in these triathlons, like
this is EW, man.
I thought it was over there.
It is. We're getting a bike first. All right, here comes a nice 2-street ride. Oh shit, forgot about that. I'm gonna just stay on the sidewalk. Woo.
Dying.
All right, 2 streets and we're at Bobby's. Electric Wednesday. Are we still first? No. There's some people that beat us here. All right. Woo!
You guys like laughed and
What's up? 2 streets?
Can I try it?
Yeah, of course.
I tried the other one.
You tried the XG.
Yeah.
It's a small wheelbase, so be careful with your knees.
Oh no, it's all good. Take your time.
Long time no see.
What's up, brother?
Hey, how are you?
Hi.
Good to see you.
Oi.
How you doing? How you feeling?
Good.
Good? Hey, man.
Good.
How you doing?
well, thank you.
How are you?
Whew. Good lineup. Onyx, Scoop, Monday, Zoos, and the Jack Rabbit.
Beep, 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 beep. Coming through. Yes. Lightning. I feel so small.
It's like a weird thing. And I'm like, what? It's like, I don't have a vehicle for the last year.
That's why I'm renting one. I'm trying to get one.
Mike, what's going on? You got another flat? You got another flat on the spot?
Javelin got another flat tire. Another one. Might as well just go with City Bike. Javelin's not.
Yo, I gotta say, the headlight is dope. Thank you. I got content. I got content for Andy. Chug.
Vinny's running around with a camera. Okay. Yeah, he was trying to chase him, and I was like behind him, like I can keep up too. And then when he gave up, I'm like.
Oh, the white walls are glowing. I like that.
The white walls, man.
Where you at? Every old bike
We got a lot of people out tonight. Good squad. Yo, look at this.
Hey, Peso Pluma!
Look at this fucking fuckboy hair.
Oh shit, what? You know. Congratulations. Here is your official Juice Club NYC X Electric Wednesday shirt. Made by none other than
You.
Mr. Johnny Prime.
What?
Thank you. Electric community. What?
Electricidad.
Yeah. Woo! What? Not one, but two. What? What? Who made these amazing flags? He only needed
Fuck,
one
man, that's awesome.
Take a hit.
Yo, fucking 20 decals.
20.
Let me touch it, Carlos. Yeah, let him touch that TT decal.
TT.
That's even bigger too.
Touch that TT decal.
That's DTF?
What else you got over here, motherfucker? What else you got? You got the 718 flag? Let's see that shit!
The gayest shit ever, yo.
Yeah! Wait, why is that gay?
Because I'm from Harlem.
Oh. You gonna do a 212?
Shit, we should.
You gotta stick to the area code for some reason?
But you put a different flower, you put like a daisy.
Nice move, Such.
W.
Edward, thank you. Appreciate that.
Yes, thank you. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Unprecedented move at the bar. Buy a whole case.
All right, boys. Oh my God! Let's go. What the?
Yo, give me the plates. Give me the plates.
Yo, you niggas are crazy. Let's
go, boys.
They're nice and cold, by the way.
I can't believe this dude bought.
for the pack or some shit. Don't drop the plate.
All the dependents, please turn to the left.
Hello. You want fried light?
Very good.
Thank you.
Very good. You like 99 $1.
You like the Chinese food? I like it.
Oh, you guys are doing the Asian thing?
Cantonese.
After that.
How do you say I don't know in Mandarin?
Mujidao.
Mujidao?
Yeah.
Mujidao.
It's never helped me in my life. Because I'll still talk to you in Mandarin after you say I don't know. Like, oh, you speak Mandarin.
Where'd you go?
Hanging out with a woman, went to Elizabeth Garden, then the Whitney Museum.
Elizabeth Garden and the Whitney.
Yep,
What did she think? Was she impressed?
totally.
Fucking better be.
No, when I first met him, I was a little.
You know, went to eat at
Who the fuck goes on a date in vlogs?
Andy, don't you have a mic like this?
Nah, he does.
Oh,
No, he doesn't have that much.
James, how much rum have you had since our last meeting?
none.
No rum?
Well, not until last week.
Not until well, are you ready for some more?
Nah,
No?
not today. I got to get back home.
What? How are you getting home? You don't have to ride home, right?
Nah, I'll figure it out.
So you can drink and get in a car or in a subway.
James.
Greaser James! Greaser James! Greaser James! Greaser James! Greaser James! Greaser James!
AOC is representing that.
AOC? 934?
718, motherfucker.
You gotta get worried when he's not wearing his helmet. Is that Alexandra Ocasio, whatever her fucking name
Cortez?
is?
Cortez?
Cortez? ¿Qué carajo eso?
Oh! Oh!
¿Qué carajo eso?